Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Xerox workforce reduction, ISRO's GS8020 satellite launch, Techno Pop 8 smartphone launch, Metaverse virtual crime investigation, Google Maps live location sharing, Intel's AI company, Article 8 AI, Xbox Game Pass title changes. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Xerox, a prominent digital printing and document management technology company, is set to reduce its workforce by 15% in 2024. This reduction is part of a broader plan to introduce a new organizational structure and operating model. As a part of the reshuffle, Xerox has announced a list of new executive leadership. As of the end of the previous year, Xerox had approximately 20,500 employees. With the announced reduction, over 3,000 employees are expected to be affected by this change. The company plans to implement these layoffs within the current quarter. Following the announcement, Xerox shares fell by more than 12% according to a report by CNBC. The restructuring plan includes simplifying core print business products, improving efficiency in global business services, and increasing focus on IT and other digital services. Xerox CEO Steven Bandrowazic highlighted three key areas for resource alignment: improving and stabilizing the core print business, forming a new global business services organization, and disciplined execution in revenue diversification. India's space research organization ISRO plans to launch communication satellite GS8020 using Elon Musk Falcon 9 rocket. Weighing 4,700 kg, GS8020 will provide cost-effective Kaka band high throughput satellite HTS services, focusing on broadband connectivity, IFMC, and cellular backhaul service needs. ISRO shift from Ariane's Space Ariane rocket to SpaceX for launching satellites exceeding 4 tons, emphasizing cost efficiency. GS8020 boasts 32 beams for pan-India coverage, extending services to remote regions like Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep Islands. The satellite is designed to offer an HTS capacity of nearly 48 Gbps to meet the demanding service requirements of far-flung regions. ISRO is actively working on its semi-cryogenic engine, crucial for rockets carrying over 4-ton payloads. In July 2023, ISRO faced a setback during the first hot test of an intermediate configuration of the semi-cryogenic engine. Techno launches the Techno Pop 8 smartphone in India, expanding its entry-level lineup. The smartphone features a 90Hz display and octa-core chipset and comes in gravity black and mystery white color options. Priced at Rs 6,499, the smartphone will be available for purchase online from Amazon.in starting 9 January 2024 with a limited time discounted price of Rs 5,999. The smartphone runs on Android 13 with iOS 13, has dual SIM support, a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage expandable up to 256 GB, a 12 megapixel rear camera, an 8 megapixel front shooter, a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and a 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. UK police are investigating the first reported gang rape case in the Metaverse, a virtual world where users wear virtual avatars. The incident occurred in a virtual video game where players use VR headset to interact with others, causing emotional and psychological trauma to the victim. Similar reports of virtual crime, including virtual rape, have been noted in games like Horizon Worlds and Horizon Venues. Crimes in the metaverse range from sexual abuse to virtual robbery, identified theft, and ransom attacks. Meta, the company behind social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, has an automatic protection feature called Personal Boundary for users. The UK is considering passing an Online Safety Act bill to prevent such incidents in the future. Google Maps introduced a feature allowing users to share their live location with friends and family, similar to messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. Users can fine-tune who they share their location with and for how long. The feature shows the device battery level, charging status, and estimated time of arrival if navigating. To share a live location, users can open Google Maps, tap on the profile icon, and select location sharing. The feature works even when location history is turned off. However, it won't be available for children under 13 years of age in India. Google Workspace domain account or Google Map Go. Intel collaborates with Digital Bridge Group to form an independent AI company, Article 8 AI. Article 8 AI offers a full-stack, vertically optimized and secure generative artificial intelligence Gen AI software platform for enterprise customers. Arun Subramaniam is named CEO of Article 8, previously serving as President and General Manager of Intel's Data Center and AI Group. Article 8 will provide secure and cost-effective generative AI services built on Intel hardware, including Xeon scalable processors and Intel Gaudi accelerators. The company aims to drive generative AI adoption in the enterprise market, offering production-grade solutions with rapid deployment at a sustainable cost. Microsoft is set to remove GTA 5 and MotoGP 22 from Xbox Game Pass, a subscription service allowing users to play games without purchasing them. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Resident Evil 2 and Activision Blizzard games including Call of Duty and Diablo 4 will be added to the Xbox Game Pass. Other new additions include Close to the Sun, Hell Let's Loose, Figment, Super Mega Baseball 4 and We Happy Few. Grand Theft Auto 5 along with some existing titles will be removed on 5 January. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।